The increasingly accumulated greenhouse gases in the atmosphere awakens us to the importance of a greener and more sustainable life. Indonesia is committed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions to net zero emissions. In this case, the Indonesian government has committed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through the Nationally Determined Contribution, NDC, as a translation of the Paris Agreement. Indonesia can also play a role in achieving the FOLU Net Sink 2030 target and carbon neutrality by 2050. The largest greenhouse gas emission reduction target in the NDC is in the forestry sector. This opens up opportunities for Indonesia to play an active role in the global carbon market. East Kalimantan province has great potential, thus often referred to as the lungs of the world. To minimize investment risks, we offer you the opportunity to collaborate with existing companies that are already operating commercially, which have the highest carbon sequestration potential in East Kalimantan province. The area offered in this project has been reserved by the company for conservation by involving the surrounding community as a form of social management. We invite you to take part and to invest in carbon trading projects in the forestry sector. Companies will receive carbon credits based on forest area restoration and conservation activities. These projects will benefit hard-to-abate industries. Countries or industries that emit substantial amounts of greenhouse gases can purchase carbon credits from the forestry projects at the carbon market. In addition, this project is also offered to the energy and manufacturing companies. Also for you investors who care about sustainability and ESG. Investors can take part in sustainable forest management through forest rehabilitation activities and efforts to reduce overall deforestation. Investments in this project will provide strategic advantages with competitive costs and significant results. It will provide your company with added value to comply with carbon offset regulations and actively contribute to mitigating the climate risk. Based on the calculations and analysis carried out, this project has a high projection in the future. The government will be committed to supporting investor needs, both in terms of incentives and other regulatory support, including a conducive supporting ecosystem. We invite you business practitioners and investors to take part in this investment. An investment that not only has a substantial market potential, but also has a significant contribution to maintaining global climate stability. Together with the forests in East Kalimantan, let us play a role in reducing carbon emissions in the air. Your investment is a real contribution to help protect the Earth for future generations. Your investment, our future. Indonesia, your better tomorrow.